Lie on an incline bench with a dumbbell in each hand. Bend your knees and keep your feet flat on the floor for support. Bend your elbows slightly and lower your arms out to your sides in an arc-like motion until the weights are level with your chest. Slowly raise the weights up until they are over your chest in the starting position. Sit on an incline bench with a dumbbell in each hand, arms hanging straight down. Turn your hands out so your palms face forward. Without moving your upper arms, slowly curl the weights up until the dumbbells reach your shoulders. Flex your biceps, then slowly lower your arms back down to the starting position. Lie on an incline bench with a dumbbell in each hand. Straighten your arms above you so the weights are above your shoulders. With your palms facing each other, and without moving your upper arms, bend your elbows and slowly lower the dumbbells until they reach the sides of your head. Slowly press the weights back up above you.